Tiakufala tatwakwata so turefano kupwa bwangu. Kai gavibata tatawakwatendra mesha kundwaira ku school so apande fo kupwa kaita bale findechi.
It sounds like a mere story, but this is the reality for the pupils of Kalunga Primary School in Ntopolo area, Kabansa ward of Serenje District. Pupils here are withdrawn from school by their parents and married off as early as 10 years old. For a few girls that remain in school, nature is sometimes a setback as they have never known underwear in their lives. The only teacher at Kalunga Primary School, which was even named after him, most of the times go to teach the pupils in their villages when they are assigned to pound and attend to other family duties. This came to light when the Lala-Swaka Trust visited the area to appreciate the challenges faced by this community and donated some assorted items. Women from the trust who carried sanitary towels for the girls and women had a tough time to explain and convince them to accept and use the towels, since even the old women in the area have never used underwear from the time they were born.
Utu eto tufuala kuafirisha palili njita nomba mwini finish boya mwale fuala nomba ifo tuamuletirako utu utu akubika pakaputula so utu ngatamulefwa malwela yali yonse ayakunshi utu very clean nomba filana chilala ndana chabale umfwako pantu kuno ku Ntopolo mushinso twaenda mwebo ukulu kutali takumoneka bantu takumoneka mashopu nomba mwebale umfwako kunsoko twapapata utu nganangu kwatotu ngamulapanga kuti mwatu afwirishako. And we are asking the government to help us fund some of these things because our children here use nothing. They have no pants, they have no pads. Nomba nishi basurvive shani. Bana mayo mwe bali ma politics. Mutumfweko mubuteko. Mutumfweko twapapata. Ino nkulo tatukuta abana tabafwiro kwenda ukwabula nangu chimu. Nishi bekala shani. Tulesebanya. Yes, tulesebanya buna mayo.
The area has no health facilities, and this room is used by Mr. Kalunga to treat patients that are taken to him, using a few drugs that he buys from Serenje. When it rains heavily, this is the bridge that pupils have to use when going to school. Joe Kalunga could not hide his emotions to explain the situation.
Pupils have been turned into pounding tools. They don't come to school. They don't have clothes. They don't have books. It is me who buy these essentials to these pupils. So I'm kindly requesting for the government for help. Donors, please assist us.
Indeed, urgent help from the government and other well-wishers is needed for the people of this area if their lives are to improve. With these girls being withdrawn from school and married off every day, it is painful to say that this area may not have a single girl child that would complete her education if nothing is done. Justine, Kawisha, Serenje.